So this supply is still holding, and we're still waiting for price to move either higher or lower out of here. I'm not looking to buy, like I said previously yesterday, just because we are at all-time highs, and I'm looking for the pullback. So yesterday's daily candle was a doji, so it's indecisive, and you can see from the price action on the 30-minute that price is just moving in between the same two prices at the moment. So again, I'm just waiting for price to move out of this area. Yeah, there's not really, some days we're going to get price action when it's indecisive and we don't know what it's doing. Most of the time for pullbacks, it's been pulling up, making a new high, and then straight into the pullback, move up, straight into the pullback, move up, straight into the pullback. But at the moment, because it is at all-time highs, it's being a bit indecisive. So we do have a POI here. But you've got this high is inside the POI, and I don't want to take a trade from here because I want to see this go first. So I'm going to be waiting. So for the meantime, this POI I'm not going to mark because I want to see this go. I want to see price sweep down here a bit more and then move into that, because price could still continue to move up higher. So I'm not going to mark that POI yet. So yeah. And let's see if there is any news. There's also no news today, so don't need to worry about anything interfering if something does happen. But I'm going to keep an eye on price today, because this POI can become active if I get what I want to see down here, if I get a push down here. So yeah, that's it for GER40 this morning.